Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for March. How we'll go about with the video is, the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you want. Now while I'm shuffling the cards, please also note tarot should always be used as a guide, so only take what resonates, leave the rest. Let's quickly begin. What I see for you is, you have the World card, you have the Four of Swords, the Four of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. Your person has the High Priestess, the Queen of Cups, the Ace of Swords, and the Page of Cups. Bottom of the deck, I see the Knight of Wands. So it could be that it's either you or your person that was interested more in the physical aspect of the relationship, and currently maybe that is something that you both are going through, and that is something that you want to work on to decide if that is what you want in the future as well. Now what we'll also do is, we'll quickly also take what is the mutual feeling both of you have. We'll also see what is the blockage in the relationship and what is the outcome of this relationship for this particular month. Now, what I see for you here, Sagittarius, is you have the World card. So there's something that is coming to an end. So there's some completion that is happening. And with that completion which is going to happen, you will be in the Four of Swords energy, where you will go ahead and lie down. You will, just step back, and you want to go ahead and relax and take some time out for yourself. Now it also shows that you will be in the Miser energy, where when you are relaxing, you don't want to go ahead and do anything. You don't want to indulge with anybody. You also don't want to go ahead and have any conversation. You don't want to go ahead and share your finances. You don't want to go ahead and do anything wherein you have to share something with the other person. Now I also see that you have the King of Pentacles. Now with the King of Pentacles, yes, you have a lot of finance, a lot of money, wealth with you, but with the current energy that you are in, you do not want to share this with anybody. You want to just go ahead and stay back, lie down, and just take some time out, and you don't want anybody to interfere while all this is going on. Now your person has the High Priestess. Now this High Priestess is a major arcana, wherein she knows, okay, she knows what's happening, she knows all the secrets, okay. So this person, even though they are not telling you, they know what's happening in the background, okay. That's what the High Priestess is all about. She knows, okay, she's the keeper of the secrets. Now with the Queen of Cups, okay, this person, yes, has a lot of love for you. They want to go ahead and shower you with a lot of love and emotions, but they definitely want to start on a very stable ground and have a conversation where all the facts are cleared, okay. Both of you know the truth, both of you share all the information with each other, and there's nothing to hide with the other person. Now I also see that this person has the Page of Cups energy, wherein they want to start something, they want to have all the facts in place, they want to be very honest with you, but they also feel a lot of love for you, and yes, they want to start small like a child. They want to start fresh and express their emotions to you. What is the mutual feeling both of you have is the 1111 card, which is a very positive card. Both of you want to have a very committed relationship. You want to take this relationship at that 1111 phase, where you want to commit to each other. You want to build a family, you want to get married. So that's what I see both of you want in the future. The blockage that I see is the Ace of Pentacles, which means that the stability factor in this relationship is currently missing, and that's what is causing a lot of hurdles right now. The outcome of the relationship is the Judgment card. Now that is really good, because if you see, once the third eye opens, you are very clear on what you want, okay. And that's something that this person will also become very clear, that if there's any interference, any distractions, then they will just cut that particular thing out, so that you can go ahead and have that particular committed relationship in the future. So that's a very positive sign that I see, okay. Now let's take some cards to understand what is the intention of this person for you this particular month. Spirit, can I have one card here to understand the intention of this person? All right, the intention of this person is the Emperor card. Now that's a very strong positive card. The Emperor is the father of the deck, so maybe you could be dealing with somebody that's an Aries. Okay, this person will lead. Okay, they will go ahead and command and they will lead, and that's what it shows. If you see, this person is sitting on the throne and gives the command, and whatever they go ahead and say, it's done. Okay, so this person will lead this particular relationship. Now let's take one more card here. Yes, this will be something that's very positive. If you see, they will lead that particular relationship to reach the Hierophant stage, which means they want to lead it so that you both can reach the Hierophant stage. Now that's a very, very positive thing. Now let's see what else do we have. We also have the Page of Wands. Yes, this person definitely is interested in the physical aspect of the relationship. So most of the times the relationships normally start when you have physical attraction, but yes, this person also feels a lot of love for you. So don't rush in, don't have any misconceptions. Okay, just take some time, have the patience, and then decide what you want to go ahead and do in the future. Now let's take one card, which is the message from archangels, and it will also have a crystal that will guide you. So let's take one card here. The card that I see for you is the Solicitite, and the crystal message is, are you trying to process a lot of information? Take the time out to sort out what is happening. Write down a journal. Make it your intention to remember your dreams. Record your thought and memories upon waking. Find peace as you process each nugget of information, awareness, and spiritual growth. Now the message from archangels is from Archangel Gabriel, which I put in the description box. You can read it from there. Now that's all I have for you, Sag. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.